Okay, well, here is the result of the cheesecake. Here we have our cheesecake that's been in the refrigerator overnight, and I'm going to divide it up and then decorate it, and this is going to be the, what I should say, creative part of it. I am going to make a little type of syrup to put on it, because since the cheesecake is very sweet, I want to give it a little bit of a tart flavor on top. So what I have done here is I have chopped up some mangoes, and let's see if I can get a close-up shot of this. Okay, so I've chopped up some mangoes here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them, I have squeezed 4 limes, and I'm going to put a little bit of brown sugar in there. So I don't want it too sweet. I'm going to start with about a teaspoon of sugar. You can taste as you go just to make sure to see how sweet it is or not. So I'm going to make a type of syrup. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cornstarch to thicken it up. Ooh, still has a good bite. So, I think I'll add a little more sugar. I did watch the spoon. And so with the brown sugar too, it'll make kind of a corn syrup type of thing, but it's natural. It's not like Caro syrup or anything like that. Am I right? So I'll let that cook there a little bit, and in the meantime, I put a little bit of water in here. Let's see, can you see it here? Well, just about, I'd say 2 teaspoons of water, and cornstarch, which you use for thickening sauces or syrups or juice. And I'm going to take a level teaspoon, put it in the cornstarch, in the water, and once the lime juice starts to cook down a little bit, which it has already, I'm going to taste it again. Has just a little tart bite to it. I'm going to add the mango. So that's about 8 pieces of mango. I bought a whole mango. Can use a half-ripe mango. And just let that soak in there for a little bit. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the cornstarch, a teaspoon at a time, to see how thick the sauce is. I don't want it too thick. I don't want it like gravy. But I do want it a little thicker than just runny. So I'll add another teaspoon. And as you can see, let's put it in the light, it's still a little bit thin, so I want it just a little bit thicker. 1 more teaspoon. So I would say that there were about 4 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, so that's good. So that's cooking down there. And I'm going to just let that cook just a little more. In the meantime, I'm going to cut the cheesecake into 4, and then 2 in each. So basically you get 8 large slices. Okay. So I am going to probably use the flatter knife. Okay, so this would be my size piece. I know I could use one of the larger size pieces, but this is my size piece. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to get a piece of mango, put it on top. So this is how you serve it. Okay. And then what I would do is wait till the lime juice, the syrup has cooled down, but since I'm doing this for the show, we're going to take a little bit of the syrup and we're going to just drizzle, as they would say, over the piece of cheesecake. That mango just does not want to stay, it's because it's too hot. Alright, and here's your finished product. And this is a ginger snap guava cheesecake, Caribbean style. Thanks a lot, and I hope to be in the competition. Alright, and good luck to everybody else.